We're at 1123 North Fuller Avenue. We have finished the hydrojetting process. This is the front of the building. Okay, so show you what the sewer line looks like after the jetting process. Have a little sag here, small sag. Cast iron. This is our cast to clay transition. So we had a lot of roots. We also had some mortar. I think it was on this joint here. And we got rid of it completely. And we got rid of all the roots. We cut out all the roots. They will continue to grow back in, but they're gone for now. A little more there, which we'll probably get next time, I hope. All right, that's the city sewer. That's it. I am stopping the recording.